Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachupapi! For today's video, aayusin ng aking asawa yung aming sink. Mga kachupapi, papalitan niya ng bagong sink. Ay, bagong sink. Bagong faucet. Ito po yung bagong faucet. Ang ganda ang kachupapi. So, where did you get this one, babe?
It's from my work.
It's free, right?
Yeah, it's from one of the old sink, from a customer that they returned.
Oh.
Because we sell sink tops. So they still have the faucet on there and they don't want it, so I just took it off.
Oh, that's good.
So
Tatanggalin. How are you gonna remove that? I don't think.
we have a lot of toothpaste. I did not remember that.
Toothpaste. Maybe how are you gonna remove? I don't think you're gonna remove that.
Of course you can. Just watch. Gloves here. A lot of soap as well.
We don't need
There's
soap.
so many supplies.
Yep. Bumili kasi kami ng mga supply sa Costco.
Kiki's toothbrush.
Kiki's toothbrush. Oh. Andito rin siya. Oh. Nonood. Ano ki?
Water.
Ano ki? Ano? Lumayas agad. Akala niya kukurutin ko siya. Nanggigigil ka na naman sa akin. Sasabihin niya. Lalayas na ako rito. So, ito po yung aming old sink. Papakita ko sa inyo mga kachupapi. Ayos niya. Toothbrush, Kiki. What's that? No.
It's the right size. Pretty sure it is.
I don't think you can remove. Close the water first.
Yeah, I closed it already.
Oh, knock, guys. Hi. What you guys done? Changing the what's it? Bored na naman yung isa.
It's in the garage.
Bored na naman yung ano mo. Bored na naman. Ayoko man. I don't wanna go outside kasi it's cold.
You stay here if you want.
Nagdalamigan ng mga kachupapi. Next week, ayusin ko na yung garden ko. Tanggalin ko yung mga narang-narang ko doon. Yung mga pang ano-ano ko doon. Yan, kaganto ko mga kachupapi. Itong jacket na to, nabili ko lang sa Goodwill. $4 siya. Ganto siya kachupapi. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda! Tapos ang tatak niya, may tatak to eh. TH. Ano nga ulit yun? Tommy Emerald. Ay, makachupape oh. Ayan yung tatak niya. Biruin mo yung, makakabili ka ng ganito, $4. Sa Goodwill. Ayan, oh. Very, very good. Maano, kahit sa loob lang ng bahay, ano. Pwede din itong pampasok, ganyan. Tapos mag ano ka lang ng long sleeve dito. Magsuot ka lang ng long sleeve. Oo, nagaganda lang ako kasi $4 lang nabili ko. Diba? Yung Goodwill mga kachupapi, para donate lang siya ng mga ibang tao na hindi na ginagamit. Kasi dito sa Amerika, pagka hindi mo na ginagamit yung mga gamit mo, instead na itapon mo, i-donate mo para yung iba makikinabang. Ang iniisip ko, saan kaya napupunta ang kita ng Goodwill? Diba? Diba? Dapat dinadonate din nila yan, diba? Kasi donation lang yung mga ano. Pero, parang makachupapi. So, ano, you found?
No, this isn't the one that I want, but...
Be careful na ha. Baka Paano kaya namatusan? Akala ko, nakakabit to doon sa sink namin. Tignan mo yung sink namin, mga kachupapi, oh. Nakadikit na siya. Parang ganyan siya, oh. Malaki siya. Hindi siya, kinabit. Marmol to, yung sink namin. Maganda. Ano?
Oh, give me a towel.
Towel?
Give me more.
What?
All of it.
Oh, you need container. You need container?
Yeah, bring a small.
I don't know. Can't get it.
Still water
Oh.
dripping.
Anong oras na kachupapi? Alas 7 na ngayon lang naisipang gawin. Natulog kasi siya ng tanghali. And then after that, B, you're gonna take a shower again.
No, I'm good. Don't worry. Don't you worry.
It's not dirty.
It is working.
It's not dirty. Let me see what it looks like. Ah, I know now.
It's very crowded. That's me.
Are you sure that's the one there?
I know what I'm doing.
Manggugulo lang ako rito.
Can you bring me the duster? When I clean
What
some-
duster?
The duster.
Hoy! What's that? Tigas kang bata ka, ha? Ano, kinakain mo dyan. B, is this the one?
Yes. The spider webs in here. There's some old spider webs,
Yeah.
so it doesn't get to my hair. I hate it when spider web goes in my hair. Okay.
Liit lang na si namin makachupapi, no? Our bathroom is so small.
Yeah.
Liit lang siya. Kala mo walang toilet seat. Meron po yan toilet seat nandun sa dulo. Maliit lang yung namin kasi maliit lang kami rito. Pero kung malalaking tao kami, ay baka. Ano laki? Ginagawa mo? Ha? Ngeta ka. Wala ka magawa sa buhay. Lahat na lang kinakain mo. Binigyan na kita ng tali, ah. Asan yung tali mo? Ayun ang laruin mo. Wag to. Namiss ang Kiki, ah. Gusto mo kapaglaro ang bata, ah. Gusto makapaglaro. Tambulotsyog na si Kiki. Makachupapi, no? Kailangan na mag-diet. Nilagay namin dito yung mga tools para hindi nagkakalat-kalat. Ay, nako. Gabi na naman sa labas. Huwag kang papampam, ha? Lahat na lang kinakain mo. Hindi lahat pagkain. Ha? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Pakwit-kit ka dyan, eh. Nagigilok sa'yo, eh. Kit-kit ka mo, nagigilok sa'yo. Okay, bumili pala kami ng cat food sa Walmart. Ito yung cat food na binibili namin. Yan. Para healthy ang bata. Tapos ito rin. Dito namin nilalagay mga kachupapi. Tapos ito naman yung mga pang-bake. Yan. Puno na naman ang cat food ni Kiki kaya hindi pumapayat. Ano? Ayun, higit na. Ano kaya sinasabi nito? No. You remove? How can I put this one? Parang mas maganda to, no? Kachupapi, kasi medyo mataas to. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, baby, I think it's broken. Is it not broken? Looks like broken, ah. Ayun, oh. Mayroong mga kaskas dito, oh. Hindi pa broken yan, Day. Kas. Ito, sinungat-ngat niyan. O ba, design lang ba yan o ano? Parang hindi design eh, oh. Parang gas-gas. Wala nga natin. Kiki? Asan ang Kiki? Asan ang Kiki Pamparot? Nasaan ang Kiki Pamparot? Ay, bait na ng Kiki. Nagbago ka na? Bagong buhay ka na ba? Ha? Bagong buhay ka na? Bagong buhay na ang bebe love ko. Oh, ang bait naman ang bebe love kong yan. Barito? Ay, sisimulan na naman mga gagat na naman, oy. Kala ko gusto ng lambing. Ba't nangangagat? Ha? Makikipaglaro ang bata. May muta, no? Tanggalin ang muta. Tanggalin ko ang muta mo. Ano ba yan? Hindi makaintindi. Tatanggalin ang muta eh. Ay, ako. Do you need help? Be careful, baby. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Oh, don't worry.
Baka pa aesthetic to na makachupapi. Kasi nalagyan ko siya ng ano, ng tag dito. Lysol na, yun yung violet. Nalagyan ko siya. Yan. Nalagyan ko siya kasi nililinis. Ang nangyari ba ng itim? Ayan o. Para siyang nasunog. So, hindi pala dapat nilalagyan. Kasi binabad ko makachupapi. Mali pala yung ginawa ko. So, next time, pag naglilinis tayo ng ganito, ano lang, yung mild na sabon lang. Kasi stainless siya eh. Hindi pala dapat siya binibleach. Ay, hindi ko alam makachupapi. Kasi dati wala namang ganyan yan. Ewan ko bakit ano. Kasi nilinis ko nga siya. Binabad ko pati. Ano, ito. Binabarang ko ng Lysol. Anong nangyari dahil ng itim siya. Nasunog yata. Hindi yan dumi. Ayan o. Hindi dumi yan makachupapi. Para siyang nag-stain. Ibang kulay. So, buti na lang meron kaming ganito bago. Na.
Might need a new piece here. This one is very rusty.
Naku, baka mamaya abutin tayo na alas 10 dito. Ki, come here. Laka, laro tayo, Ki. Pagkaganto pa na may mga ginagawa ng asawa ko, feeling ko tatagalan kami. Patayin ko yung ilaw rito para wala naman gagamit dito. Wala naman gumagamit dito. Ay, ang aking papaya makachupapi oh. Maliit pa. Buksan natin. And then patayin natin to. Yung sili oh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito yung sili ko. Mga ibang sili. Tatanggalin ko na nga ito kasi tumutubo sila dyan eh. Hindi naman ako nagpaparami ng sili ba eh. Ito ang ganda oh. Ito rin ang ganda. Nabili ko lang sa good sa IKEA. Mga plants ko. Subuksan natin yung light natin dito. Yan, bumili na ako ng purple na ano, para sa plants. So, yeah. Dito tayo sa kwarto. maglaro-laro. Okay, come here. Come here, Naki. Maganda na yung aming bahay na mga Papi. Maganda, no? Malinis at maganda. Yan ang gusto ko sa bahay. Yan, help. Ako mamaya. Kakatanong ko. Ikaw na dito. Hindi naman pa ako nakasakap.
If it wasn't so crowded, it wouldn't be so difficult.
Hey, how come the other guy? How did they put that one? No?
Because when they install it with the sink outside. And then after that, they put inside, they already pre-install everything before they put the sink on. But see this way, I do it this way because I'm not taking the sink off. I'm just trying to get the faucet out. Got it already.
Good.
Okay. Alright, now we got it here.
Nice.
Comes out the old sink faucet.
Dirty.
Put it in here for now.
Dirty.
And we're gonna clean it up a little bit.
Nice. Perfect. Yes, you good.
It should fit.
Baby, this is marble now.
It's marble, yes.
I like this one for our kitchen, pa.
Maybe in the future, yeah.
Lots of parang. Tignan natin kung fit. Gonna remove it, no? Right?
Mm-hmm. We tested it. Okay, so we're gonna. I don't think we need to clean this.
It's
Perfectly
for water,
fine.
right? That's for water, right?
Yep, it's for water. It's completely fine. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh, am I gonna remove this one too, or no?
Nope, that stays on there. I gotta go get the thread locker. This might need
Hi, nice!
Yeah, this might need replacement. This is rusty, but I think we'll try to reuse it.
Kiki, oh. Meron dito na naman si Kiki.
I'm gonna go get my thread locker. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna straighten this off a little bit. So,
Ganda na ang mga kachapapi, oh. Very nice. Very, very good. Labas tayo mga kachapapi. Kahit malamig. Ito rin ikikil lumabas. Ay! Madilim na kachapapi. So, ito yung aming labas. Ito pagka madilim, alam, walang star. Naku, ulan to bukas. Ulan bukas. Uy, it's okay na.
yeah, just straighten it out.
Ito mga kachapapi, itatapon na.
Here's my thread
Kasi
locker.
tignan mo, lumang-luman.
You remember where I put it?
What's thread lock?
The thread locker that I bought. It's like the plastic seal. I bought 2 of them
Where did you put?
when we were installing the sink.
That one, the yellow thing. Is that the one?
Yeah, it's like this one. But I'll just use this one. This one is also thread locker. But where did we put the other 2?
I don't know.
I remember we bought 2 of them and we didn't use all of it. It's okay, I'll use this one. This one is old, so I'm gonna use this one so it's up. Alright, let's go.
Next time may mga snow na dyan mga
And
kachapapi.
maybe tomorrow I'm gonna wash this one up and then I'll install it. Let's go.
Uy, close. Ang dilim.
Where's Kiki?
Hindi. Hello, Kiki. Am I gonna close the door?
Yeah, you can close it.
Kiki, come here. You're not going home. You're not going home, baby love.
Hey, where's the plastic gasket? Never mind.
Si Piper mahilig magtanong sa akin. Okay, malapit na matapos ang asawa ko, kachupapi. Hold the faucet.
Yeah, hold the faucet.
Do I need to hold it or no?
Yeah, see if you can wiggle it.
It's not.
It's tight?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's just need to be,
Wiggle. Bam, bam, bam,
just need
bam.
it to be hand tight. Okay.
Yeah, you know where the hot and cold here?
Don't worry. Of course, these don't matter what side you put it on.
Okay.
Okay, so time to put it back on. Put this on first.
So you're carpenter now.
This not carpenter. This is just
Plumber.
handyman.
Plumber.
You can say plumber too, but I'm not plumbing anything, so it's not really plumbing either.
So you're DIY.
DIY, yes.
DIY man.
This is easy stuff. Anybody can do this. If you're a man and you can't do this, that's very sad. This is not something you need to call a professional.
Kiki! Kiki Paparat, come here. Let's play. Kiki. Kiki. Higa, bilis. Tumbling tayo. Tumbling yun. Hanggang ngayon. You're tired, babe.
It's a bit crowded.
Oh, you need to buy a bigger house now. Sige, wala na magawa, oh. Huy! Wala magawa. Halika, bilis. Laro tayo. Okay. Wala siya, boring na boring siya dahil. Ano pinagkakain mo? Diba? Puro dumi yung pinagkakain itong batang to, eh. Dumi ka na. Is it on?
The one side has leak,
Oh.
so the cold water side.
What am I gonna do?
It's probably just a bad hose
But before there's no, no.
because maybe when I open it, something got disrupted.
We need to buy that.
I'll double check the hose.
Okay na, B?
Okay.
Everything is success. Oh, don't pour it.
Everything is
Can I open that?
Hold on.
I'm gonna put this one.
$2. Well, let me clean up the water in here first.
Nice.
Everything is good. Very good news. No leaks.
Very good.
Okay, let's double check everything. Make sure there's no drip.
Can I open? Can I open?
Hold on, let me double check. Make sure there's no small leak dripping somewhere. Everything looks good. Now you can open. Push down. Don't use your hand. What are you doing?
Why it's so small?
Because it's not installed properly. That's why. It's okay.
Nice.
If you install it properly, it's not proper. So
Check if it's B. Oh, it's not leaking. No.
nope, everything is good.
What about in under? Let me see. Under.
Hold on, dude. Wash your hands, and then you can do your video.
Wala palang leaking eh. Okay, very good.
I'll let you put everything back in. I'm going to take these out to the garage. But the sink is clogged again. So when we're done, we're going to use this here. No, not this. Where did it go?
Well, it's clogged again.
This. We're going to try this. So when you're all done, then we'll try that. Make it unplug.
Oh, you put it back.
Yeah.
Hindi, I should throw that one. So, inaayos ko lang mga chupati. Oh, hindi na siya pangit. Mga chupati, maganda na. Brand new na yung aming faucet. Very good. Nice. Bakit super baba naman na ito?
Stainless steel. We cannot do anything. We cannot fix it. If you want to fix it, we have to take it apart again.
Okay. Why are you doing that?
Take it loose.
You wear that just to take that?
Because I don't want to touch it no more. I wash my hands already.
Tama ka.
Oh, good.
You need to take a shower again.
So I just went a little bit in my head, but I'm okay.
Nasty. Mga chupapi, lagay ko na itong mga to. Ako naman ang ako naman ang magaganon dito. Ako naman ang mag-ayos.
Tomorrow I'll do the other sink.
Is it free?
I didn't buy it. It's a little bit dirty, but I cleaned it up, so that's why it's real clean. It's nice.
Good. It's free.
It's free. I like free.
Free stuff.
It's worth like $60, $70.
Ito mga kachapapi na hindi ginagamit. So. Tara na natin. Ito na lang ang madumi. So, tapos na ako maglinis ng aming CR, mga kachupapi. So, pupur ng asawa ko to. Chemical. Para... Hello. Why you put it all of it?
I'm supposed to put all of it. This is for one use. And then for 15 minutes, and then we'll flush hot water down. That's it.
That's the direction.
So I'm going to throw this down the basement.
Why not here?
Or here, it's fine.
So, malinis na mga kachupapi. Malinis na yung aming bathroom. Nilinis ko siya bago ko siya anuhan. Tsaka tong aming bathroom. Ngayon, pupunasan ko lang dito. Kasi medyo basa pa. Ayoko kasi magmo-mold siya. No? Nagkakaroon na siya ng mold mga kachupapi. Nag-i-start na ang mga mold dito. Kaya ang pangit pag ang bahay mo nagkaka-mold. So, malinis na ang aming sink, mga kachapapi. Very, very good na. Thank you, B, for beautiful bathroom.
Of course, all for you, baby. Tomorrow,
I like your haircut.
Tomorrow we're going to install the pedestal sink for the other bathroom, and it's going to look a lot better too.
In the other bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we'll see if we have time tomorrow. I have to clean up the old sink because it's a little bit dirty. Have to clean it, wipe it, so it's very good and new, and then I'll install it.
Okay. So, hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog, mga kachupapi. I just wanna thank you for always watching our vlog. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.